Wind powers the global energy transition, but with the challenge of assessing blade health, maintenance is becoming more difficult to manage. Whether onshore or offshore, SkyVisor Wind is the only all-in-one software solution built to in-house your blade maintenance. With the SkyVisor drone app, empower your asset and O&M teams to inspect whenever and as often as your blades require. Fly with confidence using fully automated inspections. Guarantee pixel-perfect, standardized scans, and detect damages the moment they appear, no matter who's inspecting. The SkyVisor Asset Management Platform leverages leading AI algorithms to detect a wide range of defects. From leading-edge erosion to mechanical cracks, every issue is automatically localized, categorized, and compiled into an instant blade health report. Don't just detect problems, stay ahead of them. Track defect progression over time across your entire portfolio, and when it's time to act, move seamlessly from detection to repair. Collaborate with your team and stakeholders, logging every fix for complete lifecycle management. Minimize downtime and take back control of your asset management. Join hundreds of industry leaders already self-performing their inspections with SkyVisor. Request your demo today.